हेलो एवरीवन, फिर से आपके लिए लेकर आया 50 मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज जो कि गेम्स एंड स्पोर्ट्स पर रहेगी आधारित, और ये इसका पार्ट नंबर 5 है। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया चैनल को लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस करें ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाले वीडियोस भी आपको मिलते रहें, क्योंकि यहाँ पर केवल एग्जाम की तैयारी होती है। तो बिना कोई देरी किए हम लोग चलते हैं स्क्रीन पर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, Who among the following was the first Indian sportsman to boycott the Olympic torch relay to in support of the Tibetan independence movement? Baichung Bhutia, Dhanraj Pillai, Chandu Borde, Dibyendu Barua. Answer A is correct. Baichung Bhutia. Who is the president of Hockey India? Mohammad Mustaq Ahmed, Tengku Abdullah, Tapan Kumar Das, Rajinder Singh. Answer A is correct. Mohammad Mustaq Ahmed. With which sport is Seema Punia associated? Javelin throw, discus throw, shot put, long jump. Answer B is correct. Discus throw. Where will be the 2019 UCI Para Cycling Track World Championship be held? Brazil, USA, Canada, Netherlands. Answer D is correct. Netherlands. Who is the most successful rider in the 2080 UCI Road World Championship? Trixie Worrack, Evelyn Stevens, Chantal Black, Carmen Small. Answer A is correct. Trixie Worrack. Which of the following are the official language of the Olympic Charter? English and Spanish, English and French, English and German, English. Answer B is correct. English and French. In international cricket, the game is adjudicated by how many umpires? 2 umpires added by a third umpire and a match ref. What is the motto of International Olympic Committee? Answer A is correct. Faster, higher, stronger. What anti-doping agency who is president of World Anti-Doping Agency? Lemon Diak, Craig Reddy, Patrick Bowman, Marcos Diaz. Answer B is correct. Craig Reddy. When was the first women's international test cricket match hosted in India? 1990, 1987, 1976, 1999. Answer C is correct. 1976. Who among the following was not in team which won the gold in team result in 10-meter air pistol? Arjun Singh Cheeman, Gaurav Rana, Anmol, Vijayveer Sindhu. Answer D is correct. Vijayveer Sindhu. Who is the current president of FIFA? David Gill, Gianni Infantino, Sepp Blatter, Lambert Molotov. Answer B is correct. Gianni Infantino. Who has won the maximum number of medals in the World Wrestling Championship Women's Freestyle category? Coral Joe, Hitomi Obara, Saori Yoshida, Nicola Hartmann. Answer C is correct. Saori Yoshida. When was the first edition of UCI Road Championship held? 1996, 1975, 1987, 1989. Answer C is correct. 1987. Who is the all-time scorer at the final of FIFA World Cup? Djalma Santos, Antonio Carbajal, Miroslav Klose, Philip Lahm. Answer C is correct. Miroslav Klose. Which of the following does not fall in the ambit of Olympic Games? Winter Olympic, Special Olympic, World Games, Paralympics. Answer C is correct. World Games. Who was named as the Supreme Champion by WBC? Answer A is correct. Floyd Mayweather. Who was given the Best Goalkeeper Award in 2015 FIFA Women's World Cup? Carly Lloyd, Kedsa Buchanan, Celia Sasik, Hope Solo. Answer D is correct. Hope Solo. Which is the governing body of badminton in India? Answer D is correct. Badminton Association of India, means BAI. When was the Women's Hockey World Cup first held? 1974, 1971, 1985 and 1990. Answer B is correct. 1971. When was the World Boxing Association formed? 1921. When were the UCI Track Cycling World Championship first held? 1893. Who has won maximum number of medals in the World Wrestling Championship till date? Answer A is correct. Valentin Yardonov. Who is the current president of IAAF? Sebastian Coe, Jim Taylor, Michael Covey, Judy Brown. Answer A is correct. Sebastian Coe. The delegates of which two nations marched under a unified flag in 2018 Asian Games? Answer D is correct. North and South Korea. Which is the highest sport award given to athletes who have excelled in their sport? Answer C is correct. IOC President's Trophy. In which country the first Paralympic Games was held? आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, यूनाइटेड किंगडम। विच कंट्री टॉप्स द ऑल टाइम एशियन गेम्स मेडल टेबल? ईरान, साउथ कोरिया, जापान, चाइना। आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, चाइना। What is the mascot of 2020 Asian Games? Answer B is correct, Hong Kong, Lilian and Chen Chen. The Ellen Border Medal is given the excellence in which sports field? Answer C is correct, cricket. Which country houses the Adelaide Oval Cricket Ground? A is correct, Australia. Which country won the 2017 Women's World Cup Champions title? Answer C is correct, England. In which cricket World Cup the South African cricket team was allowed to participate for the first time after the end of the international sports boycott following the fall of the apartheid regime? Answer B is correct, 1992 Cricket World Cup. Which country won the gold medal in Kabaddi in the 2018 Asian Games? Answer D is correct, Iran. Which sports competition is known as the League Magnus? Answer A is correct, ice hockey. Which country hosted 2018 FIFA Football World Cup? Answer B is correct, Russia. Which female tennis player won the most number of Grand Slam tournament? Serena Williams, Steffi Graf, Margaret Court, Billie Jean King. Answer C is correct, Margaret Court. Which two countries are involved in the ping pong diplomacy? Answer C is correct, United States of America and China. Who won the gold medal in table tennis men's singles at the 2016 Summer Olympics? Answer B is correct, Ma Long. Which sports competition is known as the Walker Cup? Tennis, golf, badminton, cricket. Answer B is correct, golf. The Liga Nacional is the men's top professional handball league of which country? Answer A is correct, Romania. Identify the handball throw. This throw is awarded when a clear chance of scoring is illegally prevented anywhere on the court by an opposing team player, official or spectator. It is awarded also when the referees have interpreted a legitimate scoring chance for any reason. Answer D is correct, 7-meter throw. Which Indian state is to play host the International Conference of Gender Equality? Answer B is correct, Kerala. What is melatonin? Answer C is correct, hormone secreted in humans. Which country holds the record of winning the most numbers of medals in gymnastics at the Summer Olympics? Answer B is correct, Soviet Union. How many new minor forest produce items have been added under marketing of MPF through MSP scheme? Answer B is correct, 14. Yuddha Abhyas is a joint military exercise between India and which country? Answer B is correct, USA. Pragyan Bharati and Bhasa Gaurav are the recent initiative of which Indian state? Answer B is correct, Assam. As of February 2020, how many green zones sites have been approved for operating drones? Answer B is correct, 32. Which country released its new anti-monopoly guidelines targeting internet platform? आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, चाइना। यहाँ पर कुछ क्वेश्चन नए लिए गए हैं, कुछ क्वेश्चन पुराने भी हैं, तो दोनों क्वेश्चन को ऐड किया गया है क्योंकि ज़्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट बनते हैं, तो इनको भी आप तैयार करते रहें। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो इसको शेयर कर सकते हैं। मिलते हैं आपसे नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। जय हिंद।